Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you two easy and simple tips to share your screen, this Android mobile screen on your TV. Okay. First of all, this is Realme mobile and this is a Thomson TV. The one thing requirement is this TV and this mobile should be connected on the same Wi-Fi. If you can observe rightly, currently this my TV and this Android mobile is connected to my home Wi-Fi. The second thing is you just open YouTube. This is the easiest way. Okay, when you're playing any video on the YouTube, at the top what you'll see is this Chromecast symbol you'll find. Just tap on this Chromecast. As soon as you do that, maybe I'll click on this. As soon as I click on this, at the bottom you will see something like your TV name here. So just tap on your TV name. Okay. Yeah. Immediately, see, the video is now streaming on the TV. This is 1 second method. Less than 1 second you can do this. Another method I'll tell you. Right now I have paused this. That's the reason. If I unpause this,
hello, good evening.
Yeah.
Okay,
it will play. And one more way you can do that is on your Play Store, on your phone Play Store, just search for an app called Home. Just search as Home and you will find Google Home. If you don't install this, just try to install this. This is already installed on this mobile, so it is saying like open. Just click on open. Again, for this second method also, your phone and TV should be connected to the same Wi-Fi. And here you can see, click on this option. See here whether it is, click on this option, all devices. This is devices, and the TV will be detected here at the bottom. If your TV is not detected, click on add devices and search for a device, and it will automatically search your TV, and you need to just click it to add to home. Give a name and click on save. Your TV will be added in the list. See, currently my TV is already added. Tap on this. It is already casting. So first initially let me close. So this is what the TV, and you will get this option like cast my screen. You just need to cast your scene, cast screen. That's it. The simple a single app for entire screen. Just choose entire screen here. There will be a drop down here. You need to choose entire screen here, then confirm start casting. Okay. See, this is one method. Whatever you do the action on your phone will be start screening on the TV. And you may ask like if it